guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Coburg, I'm at Lake Ontario, and I'm taking a really good video of a butterfly. It's moving. We're on a butterfly, we're on the moss. It's moving. It's really cool. It's really cool. Oh, it's flying, it's flying away, it's flying away. It's flying away. Oh. But here's some great views of the waves. I'm gonna try throwing a rock. So we're gonna throw some rocks now. I'm start making a big one. I'll make a big one. I'll look like getting this one to skip. You might not be able to see it because it's too small. I hit the moss. Alright, let's try this. Alright, so let's try it. They say it's good to have a flat one, so let's see what that is. Okay, I don't think I can do it, so I'm just gonna try making big slide. Oh. Even bigger. Really fun. I don't think I'll ever get one to skip. It's really hard. That's just because it's flat. Oh yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We got 50 subscribers. Thank you for all supporting me and getting this milestone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are staying safe at home too. Remember to social distance and wear a mask. And have a great time. Now that's a Bdan.